We have confirmation the arm is in motion. This is the final stretch for capture for the Cygnus resupply cargo spacecraft this morning. The Canadarm2 is now about 2 meters away from Cygnus. .5 meters away. Canadarm2 is now 1 meter away from capture. The Canadarm2 is now over the pin. Snares are close, now waiting for that final stage of capture. And we have confirmed capture at 5:07 a.m. Central Time, 6:07 a.m. Eastern, as the International Space Station and Cygnus were flying 270 statute miles above southwest Portugal.